Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how I got this perm rod set for the very first time. Alright loves, so I am starting with my Main Choice 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. This is going to be my leave-in. I already washed my hair and deep conditioned it. So this I am just adding for extra moisture and to kind of prep my hair for this style. Once I've completely added the leave-in conditioner to my hair, I go ahead and section my hair into 4 different sections, which will make the process easier. Then I apply the Melanin Long Lasting Definition styling cream. I just take like a dollop and just add it to a section of my hair. I'm using small to medium sections here. Next up, I'll be using this bottle here, which has water in it to saturate my hair. Next up, I will be using my Giovanni styling foam to hold the curls. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years to hold my curls or twist outs or braid outs or whatever style I want to hold in place. Gives it like a soft hold, so I've been using this for years and it's been going well for me. This is my Denman brush. I'm just using it to detangle, completely detangle, so the hair is as smooth as possible around the rod. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is my first time using perm rods, so I'm taking it a little bit slow. So here you can see that I wrap the end completely once around the perm rod, and then I slowly spiral it up, trying not to wrap the hair around directly on top of each other so it can dry faster, and also so it can have that nice spiral down curl once I do take out the perm rod. And then once I wrap it up, I go ahead and close the end of the perm rod. Then I take another section of hair, I go ahead and spritz it down with water. Then I apply my styling foam, detangle with my Denman, and then I use my perm rod to wrap it up again. Then all you have to do is repeat until you've completely done this around your entire head. completely dry now. I sat under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes last night before going to bed. So I let it dry overnight, and so it's now 6 o'clock the next day, and I'm going to take these out. So I'm going to separate my hair with the melanin hair oil. So the roots are a little fuzzy, but I feel like it turned out cute. So now I'm going to pick it with my wide tooth comb. And I'm not going to go all the way through, I'm just pulling. I love it. Like, it's my first time ever doing a perm rod set, and I think it turned out pretty good, you know. I am so excited to rock this look. Let me know if you liked this video by giving me a thumbs up below. Let me know any new videos you want to see me record. Hopefully I can master this and redo this again in the future, but I feel like I like it. I feel like it turned out pretty good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and until next time, love you guys. Bye.